What is good, YouTube fans? So today I am bringing to you guys just a quick little review. So it is hot as hell outside. So as you guys know, in the last couple of videos, I have my big old Diana Ross hair or whatever. But it is so piping hot to where I don't want all of that hair on my neck or anything like that. Like right now, I don't have on any foundation at all. Like seriously, it is that hot. I just threw on some eyebrows, did my mascara, and put on some lip gloss. And I'm just gonna call it a day because it's too hot to be having all that hair on top of my head. So for the first time ever, I'm gonna try a short wig. Usually I'm scared as shit to try on short wigs just because, I don't know, some people I see try them on, I be like, it just don't be looking right. But hopefully mine turns out differently. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot. I went ahead and I ordered it from Amazon, and I will go ahead and link that description and all the information down in the description. I'm sorry, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I don't want to keep babbling on this video. And again, if you guys happen to stumble across my page, please feel free to hit that subscribe button below and go ahead and show your girl some love. Sometimes if you see my eyes veering off here, I'm still getting used to looking directly at the lens. But I'm gonna go ahead and give this wig a shot. I mean, it's too damn hot to be trying to, right now. I just can't. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I have today. This one that I have is from Sensationnel. It's the Bump Wig Collection. Whoop. She looks like that. Let me see if I'm gonna take her out the box. Hold on, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the brand that I got. Sensationnel Bump Collection Wig. It is this brand. If you see her on here, she looks like, let me bring it back. She looks like that. And I got it in the color 1 because I love black, so. And the good thing about this hair is it's also 100% human hair. So that means, you can curl it, you can flat iron it. If it don't look right, you can do it to your liking. So, oh my God, you guys, I hope it don't come on my head looking like a hat. I'm really hoping that it comes out good. So, I mean, if not, I got other wigs or, I got twisties underneath here. So, when in doubt, I will afro puff it out. Straight up. Ooh, look like a little church hat. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like coming out the box. It looked crazy and my head's sort of big, so I'm praying this comes out right because look at how it looks right now, you guys. Oh my God, it looks like a little ball of hair. Pray for me, guys, pray for me. Stick with me, stick with me, stick with me. Let me try to take some of these stuff off and then I'll get back. Don't laugh. Yeah, I know a lot of people that used to see me with my wig off, but I don't really care. Whatever it is, what it is. I'm giving it to you straight 100 uncut raw. Yeah, I know I look like a peanut head. Okay. Y'all. I had to breathe when I tried this so I could look at it. Right. Hopefully it's big head friendly. Oh my God. Woo! Alright, we gonna fuck with it. This is what we're working with. We gonna try and fix her up. You know how to bury it. Hello? Hola, hola, hola. I like height at the top of my wig, so. But let me show you guys exactly what this looks like. It's a full cap, So that means that it's no lace and it's really comfortable. And I would like to say that it is big head friendly because your girl got a big ass head. So let me go ahead and bend down. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me see. That is the closing, I believe, right there. I don't know if you guys can really see it because it's like jet black. I'm gonna turn on and let you guys see the back. And if it's bad, what I'll have my husband do, like if it looks like I need to tape up, what I'm gonna have him do is like line me up so that they can't really see the furry parts on the back of my hair. But I don't know what it looks like, you guys. But that is the back. And honestly, I would have to say, at first I was nervous with this wig, but I'm gonna have to say that this bump wig, like, child, she is cute. Oh my God, it's so lightweight for the summer. This is the wig. She is cute. I will have to give her, I like it. Oh, I really do love it. And I can't wait for my husband to see it. I can't wait for him to come home and see a different lady. But there's different ways that you can do this. Right now, I'm just gonna style it this way, sort of swooped to this side, you know. I have no problem with the sides of it. For some reason, I do want this to come this way, but it's just not doing that. But I can hit it with a, what do you call it? With the curling iron, but I just don't feel like doing all that because, like I said, I have to get ready to go, and I don't have all day. But yeah, they got a little Holly Berry over here. No, I'm just kidding. I'm probably pushing it. But this is what she looks like. Let me zoom it out because you guys are zoomed in a little bit close. And honestly, I love it. I think the wig is very cute. Especially for the summer, you guys. It's too hot out there. Oh, I love it. She cute. I like her, guys. So all in all, I'm gonna have to give this wig a 10 out of 10. This wig is freaking amazing. I love it. Literally, it's just quick. Like, new wig, who this? Like, child, at first I was nervous because it came looking like, you know, a little cap. Hold on, guys. Okay, you guys, so other than that, that is going to conclude this video. That is going to be it for this video. I will have to give this wig, like I said, a 10 out of 10. And again, it is this brand. If you see her, go ahead and pick her up. I'm sorry about the glare. There she go. There she go. And this is what she looks like. It also comes in different colors. So, but I just want to do black because black matches with everything. And I don't know. Right now, I'm just getting, you know, my melanin popping and stuff like that. So, other than that, you guys, I will see you guys all in the next video. And stay tuned for more vlogs. And thank you guys for tuning in. And I will see you guys all later. Thank you for tuning in with me. See you guys. Bye.